Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to my garden. You can see today this video is going to be finishing up the Niagara Falls switch grass. You can see I already have them sitting there. Should be able to haven't dug a hole or anything, but I should be able to just scoop this out with my hand. Hope you guys are having a good day. And may I ask you please to hit the subscribe button? I really appreciate it. All right, let's get started with this one right here. What that's from. Tree root over here. It's got green on it. That's I think that's some. We'll move this way a little bit. I'm not sure what that is. A dahlia? What is that? Huh. Well, we'll leave it there for now. See what happens. Get the switchgrass in, which just means I'll be moving them as always. This is numbers 10 and 11. This is it for that great garden plants. Oh, that one's dry. Get him in here where this soil is kind of moist. Make him a little happier right off the bat. All right, there's that one. We'll get over to the other one. I typically, I keep saying Great Garden Plants online website.com where I got these, and typically I prefer to buy, not necessarily prefer, but I try to buy locally from the local nurseries and stuff. But at this time of the year, it's hard to find anybody that has anything left. And as I've just showed you in the last couple of days, I've got this big bed I need to start putting plants in. I mean, it wouldn't be the end of the world if I had to wait till next year to get some stuff to put in there, which I probably will. I won't get it completely full. But, I'm looking around for some stuff right now to be planting. Plus, I just like to plant stuff. To me, that's one of the biggest joys of gardening is watching stuff grow. I like to watch stuff grow. I like to see how we get things to perform. These are dry, starting to fall apart. All right. But yeah, I try to buy from local nurseries as much as I can. But it's, this $9 sale. And like I said, this time of the year, wasn't finding a whole lot of plants left over. So there you have it. The last of the $9 plant haul from Great Garden Plants are in the ground. Yeah, I put them here at this bed where I put the pink lemonade right there. Pink lemonade baptisia, the little fella, smallest one of the bunch, I think. And right up here, I'm trying not to move too fast, is the third Niagara Falls. And honestly, kind of liking the looks of it right there. And a little breezy today. So there you have it, easy peasy. get you a little look at this. These two grasses right here. You can also see I've got to come up with a more attractive way of staking my dahlias and keeping them upright. But talk about that next year. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Truly appreciate it. Hope you have a great day and a good chance to get in your garden today. Get some garden joy.